Assalamualaikum class, and here we move towards the component of the human skeleton. All of you know that 206 bones in adult human skeleton are present means 206 bones are present in adult human beings, and they can be organized in a longitudinal axis and the axial skeleton, and they can show the axial skeleton to which the appendicular skeleton is also attached. Means 206 bones are present in the adult human, and the skeleton is organized in a longitudinal axis and the axial skeleton, and beside the axial skeleton appendicular skeleton are also being attached. So we can discuss one by one axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. First of all, axial skeleton. Axial skeleton consists of the 80 bones, and these 80 bones are in the head region and the other trunk of the body. Head region, all of you know about head, and the trunk of the body means this part of the body including whole the body besides the head and the limbs, so that the part of the body besides the head and the limbs are known as the trunk of the body. So axial skeleton consists of the 80 bones in the head region and the trunk of the body. Basically, the axial skeleton is composed of into the 5 parts, and these 5 parts are the skull, ears, hyoid bones, vertebral column and the chest bone. These are the 5 components of the axial skeleton. First of all, we discuss about the skull. In skull, 22 bones are present, and these 22 bones are further divided into the 2 parts. 8 bones are the cranial bones and the 14 bones are the facial bones. So this is all about the skull. Then the 6 bones are the middle ear ossicles and 3 each ears. When we study about the ear, we see that in the middle ear 3 bones are present, malleus, incus and stapes, and these are known as the ear ossicles, and the 6 middle ear ossicles mean 3 bones in each ear. And third one is the hyoid bone in the neck region. Hyoid bone, this bone is related to the linguistic manners. The tongue bone is also known as the hyoid bone, means this bone is present in the U-shaped region in the neck region, U-shaped structure. Then the vertebral column. Vertebral column contains 26 bones and 26 vertebrae. Then the sternum. Sternum is also known as the chest bone. Chest bone contains the 24 bones and 12 pairs of the ribs. This is all about the axial skeleton. And then we move towards the appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton is composed of the 126 bones, and these 126 bones are further divided, or appendicular skeleton is further divided into the 2 basic regions, 2 basic parts, pectoral girdle and the pelvic girdle. Like the axial skeleton is composed of, contains the 5 parts components, and the appendicular skeleton is contains about the 2 parts or 2 components, pectoral girdle and the pelvic girdle. Basically are limbs including in the appendicular skeleton. Here we see that the trunk of the body and in head and all the trunk of the body are included in the axial skeleton, and limbs are included in the appendicular skeleton, means our arms and the legs included in the appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeletons consist of the 2 parts, pectoral girdle and then the pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle means shoulder region. It contains the 4 bones, and arms contains the 6 bones. Both hands contains the 54 bones. Then moves towards the pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle contains the 2 bones, and legs contains the 6 bones. Both feet contains the 54 bones. Pelvic girdles mean hip regions, and the pectoral girdle means the shoulder region. So this is all about the bones composition, skeletal composition, which are present in the human skeleton. Also these same skeleton present in the higher animals or mammals. So it's all about the skeletal system. Firstly, all of you should know about the 206 bones are present in the adult human. Then the 2 types of skeleton, axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton contains 80 bones, appendicular skeleton contains the 126 bones. Then the composition, axial skeleton present in the head and the trunk of the body, appendicular skeleton are present in the limbs of the body. Then axial skeleton contains divided into the 5 parts, and the appendicular skeleton divided into the 2 parts, and then the number of the bones are present in the different regions of the body. This is all about the skeleton of the human, components of the human skeleton.